general.
So you want to use k, that's a good idea.
Okay, so
But where does it start and where does it end? 1, it starts, and it ends.
that's,
Oh,
It ends at
14 over 14 plus 1? No.
so 1,
Oh,
2,
at 14.
3, dot, dot, dot,
Okay.
14. So now let's see what we have. Let's see if it works. The top.
14.
I have to present everything from 1 to 14, so I cannot write 14.
K.
Yes, I have to write k over.
K plus
Exactly. So when k is 1, do I get this? When k is 2, do I get this?
Okay.
When k is 3, do I get that? Dot, dot, dot. When k is 14, do I get that? That's it. So this is an example in which we're not going to n.
Okay. Yeah, because it's closed and you have the.
Yes,
Okay.
it tells us clearly that we are only
Yeah, 'cause there's no
summing
variables.
up from, yes, from
Okay.
1 to 14.
Okay.
Only 14 terms.
All right.
Very good question.
That makes more sense. But in a situation where there isn't like an end term.
Right.
defined,
If
that's
it's
when you use
there is a general term called anth term, yes,
Okay.
then it will go to n, most probably. In more sophisticated situation, maybe go to n plus 1 or n minus,
Yeah.
but not
Yeah. And speaking of, just to help me remember this. So
Yes.
when we're using a recursion formula. Like
Yes.
2a base n minus 2a.
no.
minus 1.
So let me give another example.
Okay.
Let's say 18. In 18 we are given the first term, which is 5, and we are given that the nth term equals 3 multiplied by the n minus first term and minus 1 for any term that starts with 2 and above.
Okay.
So what this means is this, that, for example, the 10th term is 3 multiplied by the 9th term minus 1.
Yeah. So what I was just trying to clarify is that a n minus 1. That's just another way of saying previous term.
Perfect.
Okay.
Correct. So if I want to list A1, which is 5, and A2 will be 3 times 5 minus 1,
Okay.
and I calculate to be 14, and then A3 will be 3 times the previous term, which I just determined, minus 1.
Okay. And then likewise, a n plus 1 would be.
Yay! Yes, exactly. AN plus first will be 3 times AN, A sub n, minus 1. Indeed.
Okay. Okay.
Very good. What else would we like to review for this test or otherwise? What about simplifying some factorials?
Sure.
Let's say n plus 5 factorial divided by n plus 2 factorial. How will I simplify this? And remember where the starting point is. I'm asking myself, which one is bigger? Because I don't want to expand both if I can avoid it.
Numerator.
Yes, because remember n is a natural number, not even 1.2. It's 1, 2, 3. It could be possibly 0, but yes. Good. So since the top is bigger, I write n plus 5, and then times
n plus 4.
n plus 4, and then times,
N plus 3.
yes, and then times
N plus 2.
factorial. And I stop because I see an n plus 2 factorial at the bottom, and I can simplify factors that are the same. I'm not going to multiply this because I have 3 factors, but we can, of course. So the simplified form, but not completed, is n plus 5 times n plus 4 times n plus 3. Is there anything else that you would like to review from chapters 4, 5, 6.1, 8.1? How is my math lab working?
So wow, not a problem.
Okay, whatever. Almost done. Yeah, it is a lot.
Do you think that my math lab is helping you understand better?
A little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not hugely, I don't think.
Takes more of a review from, like, yeah, because we do it in
Once you
class.
understand it in class,
Yeah,
then
And then when you go home, it's like, oh, and then you just go through all of it. Because usually when I leave here, I try to go home and do what we just learned, or at least some of it. Because a lot.
There's a lot.
But they do give you, like, it give me an example or in the corner. So if you don't get it, then you can use that.
honestly, I don't really like that feature because I don't want my students to mimic.
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
that's what I ended up doing, like, that's how I have to.
See, if I looked at my note, I would look at my notes, and then if I needed more of, like, to see it, then
Sure.
I would.
No,
use
that's
that.
fine. It depends on how we use it.
Yeah.
But in general, for, you know, I don't like the mimicking part. Okay. What else would like to review? Would you like to review something else from chapters, from test 1 and 2, or what would you like to do?
Yeah, I remember this one. Here, I got all of them.